Looking for a unit beside Punggol MRT? We have a high floor, unblocked river view, north-south facing, bright and renovated unit that is very good size. It has big space for a big dining table even. Look at the renovation. It's high ceiling with fan, aircon and lights. We are also unblocked facing, north-south facing, and look at the condition of the flat. Is that good? Very nice, right? We have storage space that you can even sit on around the house. Look at the feature wall with TV console and storage. Look at the spacious area that you can find and walk around the whole house. The kitchen comes with white laminated cabinets, built-in oven, and a separate yard for your laundry. The first common bedroom can be a nice study desk and storage built with aircons, parquet flooring, and can still fit a bed. The master bedroom can fit a king-size bed. It comes with ceiling fan, aircon, wardrobes, and bathroom. Don't miss this unit at 308C Punggol Walk. It's high floor, unblocked rear view, north-south facing, bright and windy. Call us! Don't miss this unit because it's a serious seller. You can view online by appointment anytime. Video tour and floor plan available. Call us!